Hello, guys. This is Larry Washington. I'm the team lead that's in Group 8, and I start the project off with a landing page that consists of the name of the project, which is Project Management Tool. It has the title, the product owner, the team, which is Group 8, Larry Washington, System Project Tool. And this landing page is pretty straightforward. It has charts to actually, and the software development lifecycle to actually show you what we're about to enter. So when you press the next button that's on the landing page, it navigates you to the type of project that you want to select. Here in the left hand corner is a search bar that demonstrates if you cannot find what you're looking for in these selections, then here's a search bar that you can choose from. We have four options. We have web apps, desktop apps, mobile apps, and cloud-based apps. Each one of them are going to have different requirements, but all of them have similar requirements. So, for example, when you select a web app, it brings you to the requirement form. This is for the users to fill out. They enter the project, the product owner, the manager, the team members of the project, any risks, the week, and it displays some type of analysis. It gives a brief description of the project as a whole. Then you select the next button, and this shows you the type of hardware that the project will pretty much be incorporating. Here's a search bar if you not seeing the hardware that's displayed. You have servers, desktop, laptops, and mobile devices. When you select which one of these hardware platforms, we're going to select the server because we're looking at a web-based tool, so it's probably going to be running off a server, but it can have a suite of software packages that can run on these platforms. So when I select the server, these are non-functional requirements. And in these non-functional requirements that we're going to get from the user, the designing, the code, the testing, this is how many man hours it's going to take, coding hours, testing hours, and the description that it's going to actually feedback basically in the description slot that it's going to be required from what the system should or should not be doing. This weekly report it just demonstrates the how long it takes to design the system, how much coding is going to be required for the application, the test cases or testing, project management as a whole. This is the activity that goes on. We do this in hours. You can download this using the click button, and then on the left hand side it's going to display, and once you double click it, it'll open up a risk analysis. And this is just a report that's going to give the tool is going to give the report for the data for the analysis. And if you blow it up, it's the requirement analysis, design, testing, and it pretty much ranks them very high, low, very high, open risk. When you click the next button, this is the monitoring and tracking landing page. And this is where you're going to get your reports from, your activity and your risk analysis reports, any future reports that you're going to get. I made the system upgradable, meaning that there's plenty of opportunity for improvements. There's plenty of opportunities for implementation, enhancements. It's a part of the software development lifecycle. So there's plenty of space to add any improvements to the app. When you click next, it shows you pretty much a schedule. This is an activity schedule, and it's based off the task that's used for the requirements, how long the front end development, if there's any back end connections, if there's any testing, any domain requirements. And this right here, this schedule can actually be changed. So I made a link to the schedule. So when you click on the link and download it up, when you click on the link and download it, it'll come up with a way to edit it, and I'll show you guys that in a minute. This here is the home page. So when you click on this, it's going to revert back to the landing page. So this is a agile approach to the development tool and a way of actually gathering the requirements real fast. So I need feedback from you guys. Please give me feedback. I'm gonna send this video to you guys in your email address, and take a look at it. Add anything that you have to add, take out anything that you want, or make requests on what you want to take out, so we can improve the system, as well as any questions that you may have about it. Thanks.